Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the verbal ability of the English section, and the question that we'll be focusing ourselves on is of parajumbles. Okay, and this is the kind of parajumbles in which the first and the last sentences are fixed. That is, the conclusion and the introduction are fixed, and we have to rearrange four other sentences in the middle to form a coherent statement, okay, or a coherent paragraph. So if we talk about parajumbles in general, these are quite prevalent in the BA section and form a major chunk of the marking scheme or the questions pertaining to the BA. So that in turn makes it really important questions to focus on and try and understand the approach to solving the same so as to ace this particular section. Okay, so that being said, we'll take a look at a particular question of the parajumble kind in this video, wherein the first and the last, that is introduction and the conclusion, are fixed, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same. Okay, so let's take a look. So we have S1 fix and S6, that is fix. Now we'll start off with option statement A. Now if it were Viola, but it has been years since I played viola. Okay, so he's talking about viola and playing viola. Okay, and he's saying, the whoever the speaker is saying, that it has been years since he's played viola. So okay, let this stay as it is. What I lost there, I have never come near to retrieving. Okay, what I lost there. Okay, where is this there? Which place is he being referring to? So again, B, we don't have anything as of yet. So let's keep it aside. As it is playing a song line an octave above its script. So C is talking about playing a song above its script. So as it is playing the song on an octave above its script. Okay, let's take a look at statement 1. Where a piano note is too low for violin, it leads into a higher octave. Okay, so when a piano note is too low for violin, it leads into a higher octave. As it is, okay, as the higher octave it is playing the song line an octave above its script and higher octave. Okay, so S1 will be followed by C because they're essentially talking about the same thing. Okay, so it will start with a C. Now let's take a look. Now if the viola had been now if it were viola, but it has been years since I played viola. Okay, let's go to the last statement first and then we'll try and match it from there. The last time when I was a student in Vienna 10 years. The last time was when I was a student in Vienna 10 years ago. Okay, D. D is talking about a certain event which happened last time he was a student in Vienna 10 years ago. Okay, so what could have happened when he was a student in Vienna? Uh, if we talk about D, what could follow? Okay, see, he played viola, right? So that is the last time was. So the last time he played viola was when he was a student 10 years ago. So A will be followed by D. Okay, A and D will have to be paired, where A will come first and D will come second. Okay, so DA, again this gets wrong, this is wrong. So AD, okay, and it starts with CAD. Okay, now let's take a look at B. So we have confusion between option 3 and option 4. If we take a look, love or no love, I could not continue in that city. So which city are we talking about? So yeah, city that we are talking about is Vienna. Okay, the city we are talking about is Vienna, but does this make sense if we put sentence 6 after D? Last time when I was a student in your 10 years ago, I could not continue to live in that city. Okay, but why love or not love? Love or not love? Love or not love? Okay, let's go with B. What I lost there were in Vienna. Okay, I never come near, I never come near retrieving. Okay. So last time he played the viola was in Vienna, and what he lost there, he never came near retrieving. So that is the reason, love or no love, he could not continue living in the sitting. So this will be B and S6. Okay, and this will start with SC because no other sense, nothing makes sense. So basically A, D, B and S6. Okay, so our correct answer is C, A, D. Order will be CADB, option 3. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So this was a pretty difficult one. It is the kind of question or the passage that has been asked isn't, our usual English language. It's more or less like a writer's or the author's own accord of his or her experience. So that is a really difficult one, but I hope this thing is clear to you, the approach we have taken, why we linked certain pairs, why we formed certain pairs, and why we neglected all these things. So in case you have any doubt with regards to the approach, please feel free to go through the video. That should give you plenty of good insight. Now if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper pertaining to all the sections, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards as well. Okay, now if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so that you'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.